full size.
How's it going, you guys? Welcome to a very special episode. This is the first, This is my first video. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is the beginning to an era of the new age. God dang it. Never mind. Anyway, I'm going to show you in this episode a couple of cool features you can do with sheep. I have them named back to normal for various reasons. Anyway, if you didn't know, the first one you could do is Grumm. This was added a pretty long time ago, and that's all it does. The same effect works if you name it Dinnerbone, which it's pretty cool. Just yeah. And what I wanted to show you today is one you may have not have known. If you name it Jeb _, this is really cool, you guys. Jeb with an underscore, all lowercase. Look at this. Look at it. It's so amazing. It's so amazing. Anyway, what I wanted to try is maybe it'll have like, no, it's just white wool. Nah. Yeah, this is really cool. If you wanted to, I don't know, put like 1,000 of them in a pen, like this big. Not literally 1,000 of them, but you guys know what I mean, I hope. There. Okay, and you just... That never happened. Yeah, and you just start filling it up with sheep. And I am sure the same works with baby sheep. Stop eating my grass, sheep. I like how they just change color immediately. That's pretty cool. Get back in there. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did. If you didn't know about the Jeb _, thing, I'll put it in the link in the description. But if you didn't know, hit the like button, subscribe. It'll help a lot. My community is growing slowly but surely. And yeah. It's just target practice. Well, the only thing I can think of doing right now is lava. Beg for mercy! Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Anyway, see you guys next time.